Alright guys, I'm back. I got another keyboard here to review for you. This right here is the Corsair k55 RGB. It comes with full RGB, number pad, and 6 macros that you can set up. It is kind of not the greatest keyboard. It's $50. That's probably just because you get the macros and the full color RGB. But it doesn't have, the switches are nothing special. They're just membrane switches. So they're not that good feeling. Just membrane switches. I don't personally like it. So that's why I got the Red Dragon Kumar K55, or not K55, whatever, the one from the last video. And yeah, this one has many color customizations. So if you hold FN and you click some of the, I forget which ones. Yeah, you can make it full red. If you click 9, or wait, no, this is breathing, I think. Yeah, breathing. And then this makes it just red. Then you can turn it off. You can make it like different colors. More colors, more colors, more colors. Yeah, there's a lot of different color customizations. But yeah, it also does have some dedicated sound buttons right here. And it also has a Windows button. You can also control brightness, and there's a button to select macros that you want to set up. And then also you can, it's not working right now, but some of these lights would, there's little lights right here that if you click caps lock, it'll show you if it's on or not, which I found that useful because sometimes I forget when I accidentally click caps lock. So yeah, that's very useful for me. But yeah, it's not the greatest keyboard. I mean, yeah. But here, I'll give you a little sound test. So yeah, just membrane switches, nothing that special. So yeah, there you have it. There's the Corsair K55 RGB.